Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find security. Now let's scroll down again to find the encryption and credentials, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the clear credentials option. So let's simply tap on it, confirm it with OK, and if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential search has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. So basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.